Glass fiber manufacturing process. Glass melting is the industrial or artistic process of heating raw materials, primarily sand, soda, and lime, to create molten glass. Strand forming is a precise, high-temperature industrial process that converts raw materials, primarily silica, sand, limestone, and alumina, into fine filaments of glass, often thinner than human hair. Winding is an automated manufacturing process used to create high-strength, lightweight composite structures by winding continuous resin-impregnated glass fibers around a rotating mandrel. Fiberglass cloth production, where the yarns are woven into various fabric styles: plain, twill, satin, using industrial looms, similar to traditional textile manufacturing. Then heating is done to remove sizing. Fiberglass mat production, specifically for chopped strand mats, involves cutting glass fiber rovings into 50 mm lengths, which are randomly deposited onto a mesh belt. A binder is applied, followed by drying, curing at high temperatures, and final rolling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.